In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can join the Byte by Night Discord server here for Roblox on Discord. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by either opening up Discord on a PC, iPhone, whatever device you're using. It doesn't really matter if you're on mobile or on another device. You just need to have Discord open itself and look on the left hand sidebar where you see all your servers and just scroll all the way down and you're looking for this little add server button right here. Go ahead and select that. It's going to pull up with a page that looks like this. Just scroll down to the bottom and hit join a server, and this is the most important part. This is where you need to type in a specific thing, and it's actually pretty easy. You just have to type in Byte by Night, all lowercase, no spaces, spelled BITEBYNIGHT. As soon as you spell it like that, you just have to hit join server. It's going to load for a little bit, and then you will be in that Byte by Night Discord server. Now, you are going to have to verify first, so just keep that in mind. And it is a little buggy right now since there's a lot of people playing, but essentially go ahead and verify with Boxlink up at the top of the verified channel, and after you do that, you'll be able to go ahead and get loaded in. It really is that simple. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.